I am suddenly approached by a person from the State Security Agency, and he is stating to me that they, a State Security Agency, have picked up that there are death threats being made against me, where this Brigadier Mkonasi and other officers was discussing in Katlehong area, they were discussing to rent or hire Inkabis, which is a hitman from the KZN area. So they were discussing this, and they already have plotted the concept of it's easy to take me out because I drive for my private capacity. I also have motorcycle, and I enjoy motorcycle riding, adventure riding, and it's easy to take me out because I use the motorcycle. So SSA concluded a complete threat assessment against me and with my house, and there were conclusions made at the end of the day where they asked me if I'm kosher with it, if a guard can stay on my premises and I would provide water and electricity to the guard. And I stated, yes, I will do that if it comes down to that. But I also look after my own security and my family's security in a very secure manner. And that they then reported this to the city manager.
Commissioner, may we pause at that point?